the hill and Heritage Hill, that is. We got a little friend. Just wandered in, checked out the garage. Are we mice free here, little kitty? There he goes. Oh, he's gonna sit down. He's gonna chill a little bit. Here, kitty. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's a nice little kitty. Yeah. Scratching his back. Yep. So do I have any mice in my garage? He must be itchy. Nice little calico. I think it's a calico. I don't know. I'm not a cat expert, but it's mostly calicos are males, from what I understand.